Hello. Today we have a book with an index that was created using the PDF Index Generator program. The book has page numbers defined for it, as you can see here at the bottom of each page. But the index section doesn't have page numbers defined for it yet. The index sections start from page 513. We'd like to define those page numbers using Adobe Acrobat. We also refer to those page numbers as the Paginator. Let's open the book using Adobe Acrobat. Click the Pages tab, Header and Footer, and click on Add Header and Footer. We will write the even page numbers at the bottom left-hand side of the even pages, while the odd page numbers will be written at the bottom right-hand side of the odd pages. Since we will start with page 513 here, let's step on the right footer text here, to write the page number on the right-hand side of the footer section. Click Insert Page Number. Then click Page Number and Date Format. Start page number from 513. And click OK. Click on Page Range Options. And apply this from page 533, which is the PDF page number for the page 513, as you can see here. And apply this to the end of book. Also apply this to the odd pages only, because we will set the even page numbers to the left-hand side later. Now let's set the font to use. We will use the font in it bold, which is the same font used in the book for the page numbers, and the size is 10. For the margins, we will use same margins used for the book Paginator, which is 0.75 for the left margin, 0.75 for the right margin, and 0.48 for the bottom margin. Let's save those settings as odd page numbers. Then click OK. Now we have set all the odd page numbers for the index section. Let's define the even page numbers. Step on the even page 514. And click the header and footer once again. Add header and footer. We're getting a warning that there's a footer already defined for the book, so we will not replace the old one, but we will add a new footer, since we're sure of what we're doing. Close the odd page numbers settings. Cut the page numbers from the right footer text, and place it in the left footer text. Click Page Numbers and Date Format. Start page number from 514. And click OK. Click on the Page Range Options. Apply this from page 534 to the end of book. And apply this to the even pages only. Click OK. Save those settings as even page numbers. And click OK. Now we have set all the even page numbers for the index section. The index section now looks good with its paginator defined right, just as in the book. I hope that I've given you a brief explanation for how to define the page numbers for your PDF file. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.